is the properties of Laplace transform. The first property is linearity property. According to this property, if we are taking Laplace transform of the form a into f of t plus b into g of t minus c into h of t, where a, b, c is a constant and f, g, h are functions of t, then according to the linearity property, you can keep the constant term out and just take the Laplace transform of the functions and split it and write it as a into Laplace transform of f of t plus b into Laplace transform of g of t minus c into Laplace transform of h of t. So this is a linearity property which says that if a constant term is multiplied by a function, then while taking its Laplace transform, keep the constant term out and just find the Laplace transform of the functions. First, shifting property. If Laplace transform of f of t is written as f bar of s, then Laplace transform of e power a into t f of t is written as f bar of s minus a. So what this property says is, if the function f of t is multiplied by e power a into t and its Laplace transform is taken, then in the result you have to replace s by s minus a. For example, we know that Laplace transform of 1 is 1 by s. If we multiply this 1 by e power a into t, now this is of the form e power a into t into f of t. In this result, replace s by s minus a. So it becomes 1 by s minus a. Similarly, we know that Laplace transform of sine b into t is b by s square plus b square. If this is multiplied by e power a into t, sine b into t, then in this result replace s by s minus a. Write it as b by s minus a whole square plus b square. Similarly, Laplace transform of cos b into t is s by s square plus b square. If this is multiplied by e power a into t, then its Laplace transform is s minus a by s minus a whole square plus b square. So wherever there is s, you need to replace it by e power a into t. That is what the first shifting property says. One more example, Laplace transform of t power n. We know it is n factorial by s power n plus 1. Now if this is e power a into t power n, then its Laplace transform is written as n factorial by s minus a power n plus 1. So if any function is multiplied by e power a into t, in the Laplace transform result of that function, replace s by s minus a, whatever this a term is. Say suppose you have it as Laplace transform of e power minus a into t f of t, then in the result you have to replace s by s plus a, because a is minus a here. This is what the shifting property